welcome to the SAP Product Inspiration Series. I'm Denise, UX Design Manager for AI Enablement within CX UX. Today we have with us Danielle from Essity, who will share their journey on adopting SAP CX solutions to drive digital transformation. Danielle, thank you for joining us today.
Perfect. Yeah, well, happy to be here. My name is Daniele Tedesco. I work at Essity, a global health and hygiene company, and I am the e-commerce global process owner. My focus has been to harmonize and streamline our business processes, accelerate our speed to market, and also create a seamless customer experience.
Fantastic, thank you. As you know, Essity is a long-time SAP customer. Could you help us to understand why Essity chose SAP CX for your digital transformation?
Yeah, so we at Essity are on a journey of S4HANA, and we are in the midst of rolling out and creating a harmonized platform fully end-to-end with all of our facilities and all of our processes. And when we took a look at commerce options, we really, SAP Commerce Cloud stood out among all the rest because of its strong integrations, its robust enterprise solution, and something that really was able to meet our different business needs and different business models.
That's a great testament to the power of SAP CX solutions. Now, could you tell us which specific SAP CX solutions have been implemented at Essity and how you are using them to streamline your business?
Sure, yeah. So we at Essity have created a solution for our unique business model. So one for supporting our direct-to-consumer or our B2C, and one for our B2B. It leverages a common framework and core technology at the base. So Commerce Cloud is our driver. We're able to provide a head-full experience as well as a headless experience depending on the brand needs. So with that flexibility, it was able to meet our unique business models and business complexity. The Commerce Cloud composable storefront has been fully leveraged, including quotations and subscription management, as well as the pricing module and order management capabilities. We've gone above and beyond and incorporated CDC for consent and account management, as well as BTP or CPI for our middleware. That creates a seamless integration from our order simulate to our ERP, so that customers get real firsthand experience of our product availability, as well as credit check for the account.
Thank you. Could you expand a bit whether you are targeting B2B customers as well as B2C customers and how you support both in the same system? So how is that working at Essity?
Yeah, so we are targeting our B2B customers, and in our different business units and different brands, we have different profile customers. Some of these are distributors that are placing large truck full orders, and some of them are actually pieces or units that's more B2B2C. So we leverage credit card for those B2B2C customers, as well as dropship capabilities. And for our truckloads, we're directly connecting to our warehouse management system and logistics providers. So that's meeting our different needs and the high complexity of B2B. On the B2C side, leveraging the same tool and capability and knowledge between teams, we are able to expand that for consumers and meet those consumer needs that have been accelerated over the past couple of years. So we're able to meet next day or close to next day shipping, as well as the different features and functions needed for like payment providers and subscription-based modeling. So we're in our journey, we started with a B2C template first because we know consumers and professional buyers or B2B customers want the same type of experience. Those experiences have kind of merged. So we wanted Essity wanted the experience of delivering a direct-to-consumer platform on Commerce Cloud, and then leveraging that knowledge and expertise to get a better and stronger B2B experience on the customer side. So on our B2C platform, we're using subscription-based modeling because customers want reoccurring orders. We have high and strong fulfillment connections so that we can get our products to the customer at the right time. And we leverage discretion. That's a big part of our brand promise, is to make sure that the right package is shipped at the right door. And that's strong integrations to our logistics provider. On the B2B side, this is a professional buyer entering the site. And we have two different business models that we support with the same template. And on one side, we have truckloads going out to warehouses and distributors. And on the other side, we have more of a B2B2C model, which is where we are drop shipping to consumers. And we've been able to leverage the same solution to support both with a different front-end experience.
That's very impressive. Thank you, Daniel, for these insights. Where's SAP going at SAT, and what's next on your CX journey?
So we set out to make this solution as a global template for us. So we've started our journey in Europe. We're about halfway through our rollout, and we have also moved a little bit faster than our overall ERP rollout. So the big benefit of SAP Commerce Cloud is that we can connect to our legacy ERP and go a little bit faster than our overall S/4HANA journey. And what's next for us is to continue with that S/4HANA rollout and meet those market needs as we are changing over. But also we're looking at building out and creating more stickiness on our platform through providing new capabilities like Punch-Out, for example, where we can reach a new customer base that orders slightly differently than our current customer base. And of course, we are trying to build a self-service capability through this platform that would include AI and chatbot, and we want to create a connection to our Service Cloud, SAP Service Cloud, and C4 tickets. So we want to have one seamless kind of connection to all the customer data to continue to create stickiness for our user base.
Wow. So Daniel, hearing you talking about the adoption of SAP S/4HANA and SAP CX, it seems to be a very comprehensive business transformation journey. What were some of the lessons you have learned?
Yeah, so it's been a great experience implementing Commerce Cloud and partnering with SAP. Two of the things that are kind of the most that stand out to me is one, having that real strong foundation of data. So we've been really fortunate that we went through a product data cleanup and PIM implementation before going down the journey of SAP Commerce Cloud so that we could focus on really the experience and bringing that data to life instead of having to organize that. So having that foundation was important. And I would say the second thing is forward-looking. So making sure that after going live, that you have features and functions that are easily and readily to be deployed that meet the needs of that local market 6 to 9 months after go live. So having that kind of regular cadence of growth has been kind of, those have been kind of the main things that I see as benefits. Thank you.
At Essity, we were thrilled to revamp our B2B e-commerce experience with SAP Commerce Cloud. We didn't just want to build an order-taking platform. We wanted to overhaul our entire CX. Our customers or professional buyers really wanted to be able to access us at any time, anywhere on any device. That's the expectations of modern commerce for consumers, as well as professional buyers. So we wanted to start with our login and our homepage by building a modern Essity and health and medical brand experience. Our homepage provides an interactive banner displaying messages and campaigns, as well as high-resolution images and all of our brand logos. At Essity, we have a large assortment of medical devices. Our product portfolio can be overwhelming for some of our customers. B2B buyers are typically task-oriented, and they really value efficiency. SAP Commerce Cloud allowed us to simplify the buying journey for our customers by allowing us to easily display product detail pages and provide value-enhancing instructions, as well as allowing the customer to see the specifications so that they have the confidence that they're getting the right product the first time. Additionally, SAP Commerce Cloud provided the flexibility to include a variant selector. As you can see here, different sizes, different colors, and finally, providing real-time availability and pricing. So our customers can easily navigate these different attributes and make the choices before adding to the cart. As any successful buyer or even consumer will say, search is one of the most important e-commerce capabilities, especially when engaging with customers early in the funnel. SAP Commerce Cloud allowed us to provide an intuitive and comprehensive search capability where customers can navigate our very complex product assessments with many different variants, and they can use reference ID numbers that in some cases many of the professional buyers have memorized to type directly into the search engine. The predictive search functionality allows the customer to immediately see in the search itself the product and add it to cart. This allows the professional buyer to be more efficient with their time and more effective when shopping. Additionally, they might be able to maybe interested in shopping by brand. Our well-recognized jobs brand allows them to quickly navigate to the product page on our detail page and navigate and select different items from the variant selector. As we reach the end of the customer journey, purchase is so important to making sure our customers don't abandon the cart at the end of the journey. SAP Commerce Cloud allowed us to modernize our cart experience and provide a safe and secure checkout. As the customer moves through and adds different variants and adds different quantities to the cart, the shopping cart at the top of the options quickly updates so that they can see and confirm. They can move through the cart and validate that everything is there. And when they reach the checkout page, it's all built into one sleek vertical design. So they're not moving in between pages and they can quickly go back. Since these are professional buyers, they may have an invoice payment or credit card. They may want to assign a PO number to this purchase so that they remember who it's going to and how it's aligning to different shipping information. In the end, we provided an excellent commerce experience through Commerce Cloud that allowed our customers to quickly navigate and be efficient, as well as safe and secure that they were getting the right product at the right time. This concludes the demo of SAP Commerce Cloud at Essity. Thanks a lot for watching. If you have any questions, please reach out.